What's up everyone? It's me, your Shulichi John Valencia, and welcome back to Chulation Diaries, a mega love shout mga ka-RCFC all over the world. May bago nga performance si Ruel together with a KDR band, kaya naman excited tayong i-check ang kanyang mga performance. And this is for the song My Way. Yes, kakanta si Ruel ng My Way sa Bataan ito guys with a KDR band. And of course, shoutout po to Sir Mar Baron Bass, a YouTube channel, for uploading this video. Maraming salamat po dahil meron tayong marereactan for Bunso Ruel Carino. And of course, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, there you go. Here it is guys. Hey. Oh my god, I love the outfit of Bunso Wow. So clear.
And so I face the final curtain.
Ang smooth.
My friend, I'll say clear.
Love that vibrato and the enunciation.
My case, of which I'm certain.
Grabe yung certain. Alam niyo yun, talagang andon lahat ng syllables, guys, and the way that he's saying it is with the melody. And of course, I love the outfit of Bunso here, baby blue and pink. At medyo long hair na siya at wala siyang salamin for today's video.
I've lived a life that's full.
Golden vocal, love it.
I've traveled each and every highway.
Aww.
And more, much more than this, I did it my way.
Sarap pakinggan, guys, grabe.
Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention.
Di pa rin nawawala yung pagka-goofy ng ating Bunso.
I did what I had to do, soaring through without exemption.
Grabe guys, iba ang pagkakahagod niya ng My Way.
I climbed each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way.
Such an orgasm. Grabe, para kang hinihele ng ating Bunso, guys.
Yes, there were times,
Hey!
I'm sure you knew, when I bit off much more than I could chew. And through it all,
Wow, sustain.
there was doubts, I ate it up,
Wow!
spit it out.
Diba, binanata na naman tayo ng kanyang special technique in hitting the high note. Yung akala mo kapos pero hindi.
I faced it all, and I stood tall. I did it my way.
Woo! That is so good.
I've laughed and cried.
Ba't natatawa siya?
I've had my
Oh, kasi I laugh and cry.
my share of losing,
Grabe, galing.
and now this tears subside. I find it all so amusing.
Grabe talaga. It's such an orgasm. Ang sarap pakinggan, guys. I can just watch it without reacting anymore. Pero hindi pwedeng ganun, guys. Kasi mapa-flag tayo ng YouTube. But that's why I have to stop sometimes and talk about the performance because this is a reaction video.
To think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way,
Very confident na rin ang Bunso. Grabe. Smooth! Hey! Come on, guys! We can do this! Wow, styling! Woohoo! Ang galing ng Bunso, grabe. Hey! Oh my gosh! What a performance of My Way from Ruel Carino. The vocals or the clones of Mac Monroe. Grabe ang Bunso! I love it.
I did it my
Oh, what an ending! Wow, very emotional, no? I love it! There you have it, guys. That is Bunso Ruel Carino singing My Way. Oh my God, this is the first time I saw him singing a solo performance for My Way. Nireacta natin before yung dalawa sila ni Jerome kumanta ng My Way. But this time, it's in a serious note, no? Hindi siya masyadong goofy. He's so serious. He's so into the emotion of the song, the enunciation, the pronunciation. It was an experience. Kung ano yung pinakita ni Ruel today was an experience na panonoorin mo lang talaga. You just have to watch him, listen to it, and feel the song the way that he's singing it with his golden vocal. And I love that ending, guys. Grabe yun. Thank you so much for requesting this. And of course, kung nanood kayo ng live, how was the experience? For sure, you can comment down below and share it in the comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Shoelace Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.